I remember all your childhood, we all had a small fracture of the hand all the time because we were so active. We used to be all the time on the trees, on the lakes, sitting on the cattle. But unfortunately, the children do not have any such access. So, the first step you have to do for a child is to remove your computer from your house. Any day. To learn Windows, it takes only 2 days for a child. You just pick up in 2 days. At home also. Because computer is going to make his world smaller. Imagine a boy runs Cartoon Network full day. Iska dunya bahut chota hai. His world is small. Than allowing children to eat that concentrated sweet packs. So बच्चों को बिल्कुल sweet अभी भी नहीं देना, कभी भी नहीं देना. They are served this also, you should keep it sideways. That's what I am going to do. So the only source of good vitamins naturally available as today. Otherwise everything is processed food because nowadays everything comes in packets, they are all processed. So you be very careful in the food of your child. Another thing is, teaching to your child is a very common complaint. As a parent, we don't want to look after one child, but we expect the damn teacher to do everything with that our child. How is it possible? Teacher cannot look after 40 children with the same intensity when both parents can look after one child. It is just not possible. She is not a superhuman, and we have hardly super teachers also. We need to train teachers also. So, that means every parent have to give 25 minutes of your own time to the child. Ladies, actually, they have no time with the television because television has taken your time, 2-3 hours of the day. Husbands are all the time struggling because in Hyderabad city like this, traveling takes 2-3 hours time. Even then, it is our own moral responsibility. Take out 25 minutes every day with your child. And what you are going to do with the child? Okay, itra. A maths pustakam తీసుకురా. I know you are weak. Today I am going to tell you maths. That fellow already will start. His pant is wet. Never start with your child teaching what he doesn't know. Instead, అదే నీకు ఇష్టమైన సబ్జెక్ట్ ఏదైనా సైన్స్ సైన్స్ లో కథ చెప్తాను. How chlorine can be made? Take a potassium permanganate, take a H2SO4. Chlorine has Banyan smell. I used to make during my child. Tell some stories. Tell your own moral stories. How you did when you didn't have a laboratory. How you did. So that he is interested in sitting with you to study. Otherwise, he will always avoid. Mother is always devil for a child for education because she will always ask for a thing which are not there. She will become really. Or she will always threaten me, daddy Rani Panjapta. So, do not threaten them because they will get away from you. Every child should come back and tell the mother what has happened in the school. Then only you are a correct mother. Or you are correct. Always, if you want to teach your child, teach a thing which child knows better. What he knows better, you teach him. Last లో ఒక mathematics కూడా ఒక లెక్క కూడా చేసుకుందాం మనం. Let us do one sum also. We will try out. Then only he will have the confidence. All the time you are abusing him, all the time you are threatening him, he will always keep away. So try to be more friendly to your child. So, in a nutshell, if you want to really make your child a successful citizen, a human, you teach him how to be more philanthropic, how to be more responsible. Try to give him a pet. Try to give him one plant. Because now the ruthless children are, they'll just cut this tree, they'll just kill the animal or kill the human. That's what every day we see in the news. Why? They do not know the importance of this thing. When you have a holiday, take them to village, show them how people live in a hut, how difficult it is. There are so many children who do not have shoes, who do not have. So let every child also feel there are somebody like me who do not have anything. Let him also develop some affection towards fellow human beings, towards the nature, environment. So these are very important. Otherwise, our old age is going to be sick. Our fellow is rough, rowdy, fighting, politics. So let us not make our children irresponsible. It is not easy to make a child into a good human. It is difficult. It is a mission of our life. So look after his nutrition so that the tree grows well. And definitely have some good habits in your house. Cleanliness, sitting together, having a dinner, at least one meal together. Sit on the floor, don't sit on the dining table because you're going to have arthritis very early. At least on a day you should sit down. And all children should use Indian commodes. Because the fellow goes to town, he can't. All the Western commode, he got used to it. They cannot just go to toilet without any, proper commode. So you must have one Indian commode for your children so that their knee joints are going to be more healthy. Try to avoid confrontations, fighting in front of them because they should not learn. And also remove their inherent, negative things. Let them be more possible. Have one day, tell your child not to use no. Here in Jilla Prasad School, where we had no rule, but even now our handwriting is so good. Posture, of course it should be taught to the teacher. A child should always sit properly. Even parents at home should see the children should sit properly. Otherwise they'll develop a neck problem, back problem very early in life. A good posture gives them confidence. So, manchi nadavadika, nadaka, manchi kurchune sarira akruti, aharapu alavaట్లు, నిద్ర లేవటము నిద్ర పోవటము టీవీ కంప్యూటర్ నుంచి దూరంగా ఉండటము కొట్లాటల గురించి ఆలోచించకుండా ఉండడం దీస్ ఆర్ ది ఫ్యూ థింగ్స్ విచ్ యూ కెన్ రియలీ టీచ్ యువర్ చైల్డ్ ప్రాబబ్లీ we have seen lots of children probably and I have really measured 5% of the thousands and thousands of children. So our children are becoming very, very unfit. This is the word I want to tell. Do not have sleep if your child is too big. How to do? Be often, spend time. Take him for a walk yourself. Don't give him anything, sweets, cool drinks, hotel food, biryani is nothing. Cook everything at home. Mothers have to do more work. But unfortunately when mother and father both are working, they do have some trouble, but they have to create their own, strategy so that they can do better things. No, I don't know whether they have a point or not. So this is what Dr. Bhatia